Good morning, all of you. Our next point is transmission media. So, first of all, what is transmission media? Is a communication channel that carries then from the sender to the receiver, and data is transmitted through the electromagnetic signals. What is transmission media? Communication channel that carries information from sender to the receiver, and data is transmitted to the electromagnetic signal. The main functionality of transmission media is to carry the information in the form of bits through LAN, local area network. What is the main functionality of transmission media? Carry the information in the form of bits through LAN, that is local area network, and it is physical part and receiver in data communication. Okay, so transmission media is a physical path between sender and receiver. And in copper based network, the bits in the form of electrical signal. जर कॉपर बेस्ड नेटवर्क असेल तर काय बिट्स कसे सेंड केले जातात इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल. अँड जर फायबर बेस्ड नेटवर्क असेल तर काय बिट्स सेंड कसे केले जातात इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाईट पल्सेस. Then the electrical signal can be sent through copper wire, fiber optics, atmosphere, water and vacuum. Okay, electrical signal बघा कसे सेंड केले जातात through copper wire, then fiber optic cable, then atmosphere, water, through vacuum. Okay, मध्ये काय इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल सेंड केले जातात. Then the characteristics and quality of data transmission are determined by the characteristics of medium and signal. Okay, so quality and characteristic of data transmission कसं determine केलं जातं तर characteristic of medium and signal. The transmission media is of two types, that is wired media and wireless media. Okay, आपण डेटा कसा ट्रान्समिट करू शकतो आयदर वायर किंवा वायरलेस. So wired, there are two types of media, wired media and wireless media. In wired media, medium characteristics are important, whereas in wireless media, signal characteristics are more important. बघा जेव्हा वायर्ड मीडियम असतं, वायर्ड मीडियामध्ये काय मीडियम कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक डेटा ट्रान्समिशनची काय इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, आणि वायरलेस मीडियामध्ये काय सिग्नल कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक important है. And different transmission media have different properties such as bandwidth, delay, cost, ease of installation and maintenance. So transmission media चे प्रॉपर्टीज काय काय तर बँडविड्थ, डिले, कॉस्ट, एस ऑफ इन्स्टॉलेशन अँड मेंटेनन्स हे काय ट्रान्समिशन मीडियाच्या characteristics or properties आहेत. Then transmission media is available in the lowest layer of OSI model. Lowest layer कुठचा आहे तर physical layer. So transmission media available कुठे आहे lowest layer of OSI model, that is physical layer. So what is transmission media? Transmission media is a communication channel that carries the information from the sender to the receiver, and data is transmitted through the electromagnetic signal. And the main functionality of the transmission media is carry the information in the form of bits through local area network, and it is the physical path between sender to receiver. And जर कॉपर बेस नेटवर्क असेल तर काय द बिट्स कसे सेंड केलं तर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल. अँड जर फायबर बेस नेटवर्क असेल तर काय बिट्स सेंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाईट पल्सेस. इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल कसे सेंड केले जातात तर कॉपर वायर थ्रू fiber optics, atmosphere, water, and vacuum. And the characteristic of data transmission are determined by characteristic of medium and signal. The and there are two types of transmission media: wireless and wired. If wire media, medium characteristic is more important, and in wireless, signal characteristic is important. And the properties of transmission media are bandwidth, cost, ease of installations, and maintenance. These are the properties of transmission media, and the transmission media is available in the lowest layer of the OSM model, that is physical layer. Okay, so transmission media divided into two parts, that is guided media and unguided media. And guided media also contain coaxial cable, fiber optics, and twisted pair cable. Then coaxial cable again contain baseband and broadband. Then twisted pair contain unshielded twisted pair cable and shielded twisted pair cable. Okay, then unguided media, that is wireless. Guided media means wide media. uh, Unguided means wireless, and unguided media contain radio waves, microwaves, and infrared. Okay, so through the guided and unguided media, data will be transmitted. So first we have to discuss about guided media. So guided, it is the physical medium through which the signals are transmitted. Okay, what is guided media? It is the physical medium through which the signals are transmitted. Guided media म्हणजे काय तर वायर्ड मीडिया, म्हणजे थ्रू वायर काय केलं जातं, डेटा ट्रान्समिट केला जातो. अँड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज बाउंडेड मीडिया. ओके, गायडेड मीडियाला ऑल्सो काय म्हणतात तर बाउंडेड मीडिया. सो टाईप्स ऑफ गायडेड मीडिया बघूया. फर्स्ट टाईप इज ट्विस्टेड पेअर. सो बघा, ट्विस्टेड पेअर केबलचे प्रॉपर्टीज काय काय आहेत ते आपण बघूया. So twisted pair cable is a physical media made up of a pair of cables twisted with each other. Twisted pair cable media made up of a pair of cables twisted with each other. A twisted pair cable is cheap as compared to other transmission media, and installation of the twisted pair cable is easy, and it is a lightweight cable. The frequency range for twisted pair cable is from 0 to 3.5 kilohertz. बघा, ट्विस्टेड पेअर केबलचे प्रॉपर्टीज काय काय आहे तर इट इज चीपर ॲज कम्पेअर टू अदर ट्रान्समिशन मीडिया, and installation is easy, and it is lightweight cable, and the frequency range is from 0 to 3.5 kilohertz. And the twisted pair consists of two insulated copper wires arranged in a regular spiral pattern. Okay, आणि कशी असते ती स्पायरल पॅटर्न प्रमाणे काय असते ट्विस्टेड पेअर केबल असते. बघा, ॲक्च्युअल डायग्राम आहे ट्विस्टेड पेअर केबलची. ओके, याप्रमाणे काय असते ट्विस्टेड पेअर केबल असते. Okay, and there are two types of twisted pair cable, that is shielded and twisted pair cable, unshielded and shielded twisted pair cable. So this is the twisted pair cable, and this cable is cheaper as compared to other transmission media, and installation is easy, and it is lightweight, and the frequency range is from 0 to 3.5 kilohertz. So twisted pair cable चे two types आहेत, unshielded and twisted pair cable and shielded twisted pair cable. हे आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये डिस्कस करूया. ओके, थँक्यू.